Time check!
Sawadee ka, Tokon. Hello everyone, this is Teacher Adet, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone! Sawadee ka.
Thank you.
Good morning, Teacher Oil. Ha?
Why do you come early?
Bon appetit! Make up time! Morning, Sir. Morning, Teacher Namtan. Ohayo gozaimasu. Morning, Teacher Namtan. Morning, Teacher Ming. And I'm done with my makeup. Good morning, teachers. And let's go to Assembly Hall. Bon appetit! Cheers! Good morning, Teacher Corn. Hi, good morning everyone. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about abbreviations, acronyms, and initialisms. So what is acronym? All together read. Usage. Okay, abbreviation means to use to save space and time, to avoid repetition of long words and phrases, and to conform to conventional usage. BRB. Be right back. LOL. Huh? Very good. Laugh out loud. This one. This one, AOD. Okay, end of day. ASAP. Huh? Very good. As soon as possible. That's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about abbreviations, acronyms, and initialisms. So first, what is acronym? All together, read. What is DIY? Huh? Okay, do it by yourself or do it yourself. Very good. Be right back. LOL. What is LOL? Laugh out loud. That's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit. Cheers. Bon appetit. Cheers. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about abbreviations, acronyms, and initialisms. So first, what is acronym? All together, read. Definition: words formed from initial letters of phrases, pronounceable as words, and characteristics readable as words, often replacing original phrases. Okay, very good. Do it yourself, DIY. Okay, very good. Laugh out loud. This one. Okay, end of day. ASAP. Very good. As soon as possible. Okay, I think that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, we will have a message relay activity. Keep all your phones inside your bag. Do not put your phones in your pockets. Place them inside your bag. How to do the activity? I need one leader in each group. I will give you one complete sentence. You will pass the sentence to your classmates by whispering through your ears one by one. Activity instructions. I will give you a complete sentence and you'll pass the sentence to your classmates by whispering it into their ears one by one. The last person will immediately come to the front and tell the writers in the team what the complete sentence is. The writers will then write the sentence on the bond paper I provided. If you are going to pass the complete sentence through your team, you should be careful to speak in a low voice so that the other teams or your opponents cannot hear it. You need to lower your voice when passing the sentence so that the writers at the front also cannot hear it. This is important because if the writers at the front can hear the sentence, they will have a clue or hint about it, which would put your team at a disadvantage. Be sure to tell the correct spelling, correct capital letters in the sentence, correct punctuation marks that are used such as full stop, question mark, exclamatory, comma, apostrophe, period, etc. No full stop or period in the last sentence. It means 0 points. No correct punctuation marks. It means 0 points. Do not cheat. I will deduct the points of the group who are cheating. Do not use your phones. Keep your phones inside your bag. Be sure to focus and take today's activity seriously, as the points or score you earn will be recorded accordingly. Score points, 3 points each to the group who got the correct sentence. Listen everyone. Group 2 na 15 points. Siphakanen. Group 3 18 points. Sipet kanan. Group 1 hakanen. Group 1 Yisip Jet Kanen, 27 points. Okay, that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. And I'm home sweet home. I'm so very tired. And let's go to the park. Time check, it's 5:30 p.m. Let's go. Time check, it's 5:47. I just arrived at the park. Let's go. I'm just done with my jogging exercise. Okay, let's go home. I'm so fucking tired today. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. Time check. It's 7:13.